Okay, so in our in my previous videos, if you have watched, I have divided consonants in 8 groups. Okay, so in our Tera Khadi, we are going to use those groups, and in each group there are some consonants which are not very common in nowadays or modern Hindi. We will not use them, or we will not make their Barah Khadi. If you are interested to make, go ahead and make and write them in the chart. Okay, so our first consonant is k, k. So I wrote adha k, which is sound k, ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kah. Then second one is k, k, kha, kh, kha, khi, ki, khu, khu, ke, khai, kho, khau, kham, kha. Then g, 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 ga, gi, 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 gu, gu, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gah. And in group 1, this fourth letter is g, 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 gha, gi, ghi, gu, gu, ghe, ghai, go, ghau, gham, gha. Then the last one is r, r. So this ra does not have any line like this, so we use the halant in that. Okay, dit, r, ra, ra, ri, ri, ru, ru, re, rai, ro, rau, ram, raha. Though this is not very common consonant in Hindi, we don't use this much, but I have wrote, so you can, just like that, you write in your chart the consonant which does not have, in modern Hindi we are not using them. Okay, but for your learning you can write them in the chart.